Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm test driving my new ToDac Cuticle bits. This is the Cuticle Clean and it's the little metal, carbide metal bit. It is a little dusty because I've already played with it on my thumb. But I wanted to show you guys my first go at this. Now I do have my E-file turned way down because Liz from the Nail Hub suggests that when you're new to this, you really do want to lower that speed and go very carefully. Now, I can tell you, you can totally damage your nails with these. I've got one little spot that I got a little overzealous with, and I do have one little spot, but I do love that you can run it down the side of your skin. And as long as you're moving it and you're not just leaving it in one spot, it will help remove some of that callus or dead skin on your sidewalls and all of that. I did just have to stop my machine and put it in reverse to go the other way on this nail. I am in love with this bit. This is amazing, and I know that the more I practice at it, the better I will get. I am using my non-dominant hand to hold the file today. I know that's not an ideal situation, but if I can't do it on both hands, then, you know, what's the point? Now, this is the round ceramic bit, and I really like it too. I don't know which one I like best yet because I haven't used them enough, but I can guarantee you I will be talking about these more here on the channel. I'm in love with these. I will leave a link for ToDac down below. It's a US company. I got my bits really quickly. They were priced nice. I mean, they're not the cheap Japanese, China, or any of that. These are a little more expensive than that. And you can find similar ones, but I wanted some made in USA bits. So there we go. I am going to dust them off with my little fishy brush. I have done all of them, gone around them. I'm really excited about this. So there we go. And now I'm going to take my little buffer, the kind of buff side of my Revlon Shape and Buff, and I'm just kind of going over all the nails all the way around, just getting them all ready to do, excuse me, my phone just fell, to get them all ready for a new manicure. I normally don't buff my nails. It's so rare. I mean, I don't even do it once a month. I mean, I just do not do this step, but I figured I would do it today. So this is my happy place, and I have found more tools to play in my happy place. So there we go. I am rubbing it off with that wet paper towel real quick just to give you a gander at what they look like. So I will leave a link down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. You will see more of this here very soon on my channel. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. What are you doing? You were carpet swimming, and I promised the people I was going to show them you doing that. But now you're not going to do it, are you? Are you? No, you're not. You're not going to do it? What? What? God. What are you doing? Huh? You going to carpet swim? You're not going to do it, are you?